How to check if you need a visa for any country. Step 1. Start with reliable online resources. You can use TravelDoc. This is often used by airlines and is a good real-time source. You enter your travel document type, nationality, living from, and going to. Sherpa. It offers a visual map and allows you to input your details on it with your documents. CIBT Visas, a major visa service provider with a quick check tool for visa's effectiveness on the country you are going into. Passport Index. It provides an overview of visa requirements based on your passport strength. Step 2. Verify official government sources. Find the official website for the embassy or consulate of the country you plan to visit, located in your home country. Look for sections like visa information, entry requirements, or consular services. You don't really have to worry because many countries provide travel advice for their citizens, which often includes visa requirements for various destinations or even caution advices.